So you want to download the game Escape from Duckov? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to legally download this game without overspending. So what we need to do is go to our Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now once we have done this, then we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to our next website to download this game. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over there, search up the game Escape from Duckov and select the game. Then scroll a little bit down and you will find out this game on Steam is €17.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround. What you need to do is open the link in the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, Escape from Duckov. Then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so always make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Then select the game and open the game page, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €8.65 compared to the Steam price of €17.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games. And once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!